In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to level up in Starfield. So let's get started. So I'm going to list a couple of ways you can do it, so let's get started. So the first one is sleep to get well rested bonus. As is the case in the previous games made by Bethesda's, sleeping in a bed in Starfield for any amount of time will grant you the well rested bonus. This bonus grants you 10% extra XP for a short amount of time after resting, making it an obvious and quick way to boost your XP. Well, the next method is to drink alien tea. For another XP boost in Starfield, you can drink alien tea beverage. Alien tea, which you can craft using distilled water and fiber, grants you a 1% XP boost for 15 minutes. Well, it's not like the others which give you a big amount of XP boost, but still it counts. And the main one is to complete missions. Well, as you know, completing a quest will not give you a huge XP bump. So completing missions is the best way to earn XP in Starfield, and it will send you blitzing through the main quest and will send you up plenty of levels with ease. Another way is to explore new areas. So Starfield is huge. There are over 1000 planets, and each time you wander into a new location, you get a nice little chunk of XP. That means that simply exploring the universe and visiting each system and planet will help you level up plenty. Even better, this only demands that you have to explore in the simplest sense. You won't need to spend hours zooting around each planet for XP. So as simply warping into its orbit or landing on the planet will net you some XP. So that's how simple it is to level up in Starfield. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.